Forget the sensible family SUV you know. What if, for 2026, Honda unleashed this? A vision of the Pilot completely reimagined as a performance beast. This isn't just an SUV. It's a powerful statement. Today, we're breaking down every detail of this custom, ultra-luxury concept that could preview the future of Honda performance. Starting up front, the aggression is undeniable. A gloss black grille flows seamlessly into razor-sharp, futuristic LED headlights. The daytime running light signature is focused and predatory. The lower bumper truly sets the tone with sharp aerodynamic canards, massive gloss black intakes, and a pronounced front splitter that hugs the ground. This design isn't for country roads, it's for conquering the tarmac. Topping it off is a muscular hood with a black central accent, hinting at the power that lies beneath. Moving to the side, the drama continues with these incredible wide-body fender flares. They are bold and finished in that same rich gloss black, creating a stunning two-tone contrast with the pristine white paint. They perfectly frame the enormous, black multi-spoke wheels, which reveal a pop of color from high-performance red brake calipers. That's a clear signal of intent. The aggressive side skirts connect the front and rear, making the vehicle look slammed to the ground, wide and incredibly purposeful. A beast like this demands an interior to match. With its specified all-black theme, you can imagine sinking into deep bolstered performance seats wrapped in black Alcantara and premium leather. Vibrant red contrast stitching would echo the calipers outside, while carbon fiber trim sweeps across. A driver-focused, fully digital cockpit, it would be the perfect fusion of pure luxury and race-inspired technology, a true command center for the driver. So, what powers a machine that looks like this? A Pilot this stunning needs a heart to match. The standard V6 simply wouldn't cut it. We're imagining a turbocharged V6 pushing well over 400 horsepower, or maybe a performance hybrid system for that instant electric torque. This is the Honda Pilot Type R. We've all been dreaming of a concept that completely redefines the mainstream SUV. So, the big question remains, should Honda build this? Is the world ready for a family SUV with the soul of a supercar? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this look into a possible future, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more. Until next time.